So started off a 2-bedroom, then we made a 3-bedroom, then we come down to a 4.
I did my motherfucking job, screaming because, and then Mike sitting right there trying to put the blame on me. I said, man, I ain't no damn backhoe. How the fuck I'm gonna pick a motor and transmission up in the mud like I'm a backhoe? You know that ain't right, dog. It don't even sound right.
That's right.
How can I pick up a motor transmission way heavier than that? And then Mike mad because he want me to take out the Cadillac converter. And I'm leaving with y'all.
Really?
Yeah, then you hear? I got the Cadillac converter when you get through with that, I'm gonna just cut off. But ain't nobody had shit for me to do until you drove up. I'm trying to make some money.
True.
Man, that's wrong, man.
What's up with the YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, man. Lifestyle, man. It's all about lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? So I do it all, man. So anyway, man, we out here working on the garage converted into a room. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna do it one day. I'm kind of like missing my garage because I got my baby out here. But it's all good, man, because it's going in. It's for the better, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do something else later on for a garage. But yeah, man, y'all check out the video, man. It's not gonna be a long video, man. Just something to give y'all a little update, you know, what we've been doing. I'm finna go ahead and get this room, because I've been talking about it, and I ain't made no move yet. But now I decided to go ahead and convert this room. So no more garage space right now, man. We're gonna convert it to a room. So yes, sir. So y'all can see, man, y'all already know. This is my garage. That's where I work out of. And my first move here, it was a small garage. And they had shelves and stuff like that here. So I kind of tore it down. I was just like, man, I wonder what my car fit in here. My car barely fit, but it fit. So man, now I gotta go and clean all this shit out so they can come. But they did say they can remove everything, but man, I got stuff for days, y'all. I know my camera look a little messed up, but man, these the back doors that's, you know, to my garage, whatever, but all this finna get closed in. So man, I'm just doing a before right now. So they will be here first thing in the morning. I got these bad boys out here. So yeah, I'm finna get all this stuff, man. And I don't have a damn garage. I mean a storage room. All these houses got storage room except mine. I guess this was the storage room. So that means I'm gonna have to get something and set right there and put all my stuff right here. And some of this shit gotta get thrown away, dog, for real. I gotta get me a storage room built. So stay tuned for that. But definitely stay tuned for this. This is gonna be first. All right, man, so that's what we doing, man. We trying to get it in, trying to get this stuff cleaned up. I got probably 25% of it done, so stay tuned. Yeah, man, we get it. We get it. I'm gonna miss my old garage. Oh, this stuff going out. Yes, sir. Hey, man, so we working, man. Got my boys out here. Got everything out, man. It's a little process. Showing y'all a little bit. Told y'all, man, I don't be playing. Man. I'm gonna miss my old garage, though, but you know, we're gonna have a closet, a bathroom, master bedroom. Basically, this is gonna be the master bedroom. Master bedroom, man. I know I'm playing, bro. You gotta get it how you live, man. Yes, sir, man. So started off a 2-bedroom, Then we made a 3-bedroom. Then we come down to a 4-bedroom with the master bedroom. So y'all know back then, man, some of these houses ain't really have like master bedrooms where the bathrooms and walk-in closets and all that stuff. So luckily when I got this house, it had a garage and everything. So when I first got this house, I knew I was gonna eventually turn the garage into a room. So that's what I did, man. It just took time. So just gotta believe in yourself, keep working, keep grinding, man, and anything possible, man. So yes, sir. All right, guys. So, man, y'all can see this is the garage. Like I said, this is gonna be the last little thing we do. But we basically almost done, man. You know, so like I said, y'all can get a good look now. So now it's gonna be a closet here, bathroom. It's gonna be a huge bathroom, long too. So got a little more work to do, man. A little more work to do. But we getting it though. Man. Will I miss it? Yeah, I miss it. I miss having a garage. But the finished results gonna be soon. And I cannot wait. All these cracks and stuff get filled in. Paint gonna come. Paint come and boom. And over here, we doing some little add-on. Y'all know I'm converting over there, so I got all my little stuff out the shop, out the garage, whatever. So I gotta make me or I'm gonna probably buy me a storage room and sit it over there. And this damn tree needs to go too. But yeah, man, I'm gonna buy me a storage room, put it over there. And that's it, y'all. So that's all we she wrote, man.